Hello everyone, I'm Satoshi, the navigator of the Tokyo Tokimeki Channel. Today, I want to share some amazing ways for foreigners who are eager to visit Japan but may feel anxious about not speaking the language. Let's dive into the wonderful experiences Japan has to offer. Japan is a fantastic country filled with diverse culture, beautiful landscapes, and delicious cuisine. However, many of you might feel worried about not being able to speak Japanese, but don't worry. There are plenty of ways to enjoy Japan that go beyond language barriers. First, let's talk about how to enjoy tourist attractions. Many popular tourist spots have English signage and brochures, so there's no need to fret. For instance, places like Kiyomizu-dera in Kyoto and Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, Tokyo, provide English pamphlets and information boards. If you use translation apps on your smartphone, you'll find it even easier to gather information. Next up is enjoying Japan's food culture. While many restaurants may have menus in Japanese, there's no need to panic. Many places offer picture menus or even English menus. There's an element of fun in discovering your favorite dishes, so be adventurous and give it a try. If you have allergies, consider bringing a translated note or using a point-and-talk phrasebook for peace of mind. Moving on, participating in Japanese culture and events is also highly recommended. Festivals and cherry blossom viewing, Hanami, are experiences that can be enjoyed even without language skills. You'll be captivated by the smiles and energy of the people around you. Additionally, many hands-on cultural experiences like tea ceremonies, calligraphy, and wagashi, Japanese sweets, making are available, allowing you to immerse yourself in Japan's traditions without needing to speak the language. Furthermore, using public transportation in Japan is part of the adventure. Japan's trains and buses are convenient, and the fares are easy to understand. With English announcements, you're less likely to get lost. Enjoying the scenic views while traveling can also make for wonderful memories. Lastly, don't forget to feel the warmth of the Japanese people. Japanese people are known for their kindness and often lend a helping hand to those in need. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to ask for help. Even if you can't communicate in English, you can still enjoy connecting through gestures and expressions. Japan offers so many opportunities to have fun, even if you don't speak the language. From sightseeing and culinary delights to cultural events and public transport, there are numerous ways to immerse yourself in the charm of Japan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.